I get this question all the time. Devin, what does a realistic first 30 days of YouTube automation look like for a solo creator? Here's the honest answer. Month 1 is not about building a passive content machine. It's about proving you can run one repeatable system by yourself. Think of the first 30 days in 4 parts. Days 1 through 7, pick one niche, one video format, and one publishing cadence. Don't build 3 channels. Don't test 5 styles. Just decide what you're making and for whom. Days 8 through 14, build the pipeline. Research, outline, script, voice, edit, thumbnail, upload. If one step keeps slowing you down, document it. That bottleneck is your real problem. Days 15 through 21, publish your first 2 to 3 videos. Your goal here is not views. Your goal is speed, consistency, and learning where the process breaks. Days 22 through 30, review the basics. Click-through rate tells you if the topic and thumbnail are working. First 3, 0, second retention tells you if the opening is weak, and production time tells you whether the system is sustainable. My decision rule is simple. If you cannot publish the same format twice without friction, don't scale yet. Fix the workflow first. That's where a system like Satura can help as your workflow layer. Realistically, a good first month means 3 to 6 solid uploads, a cleaner process, and clear data on what to improve next.